this is not the same video. So we're talking about self-portraits, and specifically with your phones, but this will apply on almost every single thing. As long as it has a camera on it, then you're good to go. We've all been there. For whatever reason, we don't have anyone to take our photos with, either because of the quarantine, your friends are busy and you can't go out, or simply because you don't have any friends. And I'm definitely doing this because of quarantine. Definitely quarantine. No other reason. I want to talk about gear. And the number one thing that every single video suggested was a tripod. But that is not entirely necessary, because you can always stack your books or use pillows or just place your phone anywhere it can stand on to get your angles. Know what I'm saying? The next thing is outfits. You can go with absolutely anything you like, but if you're going for a theme or anything that would complement your photo, as long as it's not taking away from the very photo. Now that you've chosen your outfit, it's time to choose your location. For our location, it's gonna be just inside the house, or mostly my room. So basically in here. Yeah. First thing you want to do is set up your shot. Set up the tripod, or put your phone in a place that it can stand, or for it to be able to shoot you. Now for posing. Well, disclaimer, I'm not a model. Yep, I know, right? Even though I look like one. Okay. So yeah, get ready for awkward poses and basically me being weird. Now that we have our gear, location, solid outfit, and maybe a pose in mind, it's time to take that shot. When taking photos by yourself, timer is your best friend. Some phones can also use their earphones to take the photos, and as for me, I'm using the remote that came with the tripod. Lighting is key. Having good lighting can drastically improve your photo. I shot beside the window so I could get the best light I possibly could. Make sure to clean your shot. What I mean by that is to take away anything you don't want in your shot. Like, for example, those shirts and pillows that just doesn't give anything to the image. I moved a lot. I wasn't really sure what poses to do, so I just kept moving. I did different poses, which were probably inspired by just scrolling through Instagram. Normally, I wouldn't shoot under direct sunlight because it creates harsh shadows on your eyes and it just isn't flattering. That's why you can see me facing the sun directly so I can get an even lighting on my face. Try out weird poses or something you normally wouldn't do. And if you don't like it, well, just delete it. Take hundreds of shots, as long as your storage allows. After that, you can choose which photos you like, then edit them. Every photo was shot and edited with my phone, so there's really no excuse. If you have any questions, if I missed anything, leave them down at the comments section below. And of course, don't forget to clean up after your shoot. Oh, and yeah, no shoes in the house. So, after hours and hours and hours and hours of watching YouTube videos about self-portrait, advanced selfies, Instagram, etc, etc. This is the result. If you got value out of this video, or learned something, or you enjoyed it, leave a like, a comment, or maybe a subscribe. Also, press that notification bell, and guess see you in the next one. Peace out.